Hello, welcome to my channel today. I'm going to be sharing about how to make money online as a Ugandan youth in the remaining quarter of 2022. And we are looking at the tricks and techniques that are being currently employed by a few people who have gotten to know about it, and also being able to make a living and surviving. And here I'm going to be taking us through on how to be able to make money. Just to summarize, what we're going to be having this time around is 1. Buy cheap, sell at a profit. Which marketing platforms can we be able to leverage and be able to put our products out there and make money? Looking at the source of the products, and then who is our target audience. Then for those who will be able to stay onto the video till the end, I'll be giving us some few bonus techniques that can help you to be able to achieve the goal. Just a disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick technique. It's going to need you to do some work and do research, of course, and be able to get there. So to take some patience, but eventually if you're doing it right, some of you may get results quickly, some of you may get results after a long period of time, but majorly it's going to at least add something onto your portfolio in case you are totally even not having anything coming in. Okay, so let's dive in and let's see how this works. Buy cheap and sell at a profit. Now, the deal here is for you to identify product A and find out where it's sold at a cheaper price, or probably at prices that where most people are going to check, and they find that for you where you're getting from is different from where other people are normally seeing it. So you're going to be able to do your research from the platforms that I'll be sharing, and then you be able to buy at a cheap and then sell at a profit. So in most cases, actually, you don't even need to use your money. You can be able to get a deposit from the client, and then as soon as you supply, then they pay you the balance. So with that, you need now to also get to have the platforms into which you have to do the marketing. Now, after identifying your product and knowing where you can get it at a cheaper price, you're going to now get the pictures and post them on these platforms and the specifications of the product, so that your would-be clients are able to see this and they reach out to you. One of the platforms that majorly is going to help you, being that you'll be starting, it's going to be your WhatsApp, because your WhatsApp, you have contacts that you have saved in, and these are people you know, your acquaintances, and also some of them are your friends, some of them are your work colleagues. Now for those who are working and looking at adding more to your portfolio, your hobbies, your OGs, people you went to school with, your parents, your relatives. Now most of these people, some of them you have like their contacts, they have your contacts, so you keep seeing each other's statuses. So this is an opportunity for you to put your product onto WhatsApp, and then they're going to be able to reach out to you, and they're going to ask for the price. So since you already know them, at least you will be able to know how to talk to each of them, and all you have to do is tell them a price, including your profit on top of it. So you're assuming looking at the television that you say purchased, so let's say this brand, we've purchased it at let me say 400,000, and then we're going to be selling it at 480. So when they reach out to you, you're going to give them the price 480, and in most cases they're going to cross-check on the famous platforms, and when your price is lower than those platforms, then they're going to buy from you. Then we have Twitter. Now Twitter for it is also the same, but now for it you'll be able to build an audience, and for it you have to keep engaging so that people get to know more about you. The same will happen to Instagram, and then the same will happen to Facebook, whereby you can be able to set up a page, and then you'll be able to list up your products, and then people get to view them, then you get to engage with them. Where do we find our products? So for the products, majorly we are looking at a few platforms that are already within our online spaces. One of them is Jumia. Jumia has products there, so you can be able to look at it. But mostly here, I'm going to advise you to use Jumia as a pricing reference. And then Gigi can be a place where you can find most of the products without really you leaving your home and going to say downtown to look for the prices. So that's why I said you need internet access so that you can be able to scroll through Gigi and identify a very good product that even yourself you can trust, and then look at how it's priced in Jumia, and then you slightly play around with the price, because most people, when you share with them about your products, they're going to first check Jumia first. Now, most people don't trust Gigi so much, but from my experience, I've been able to work with genuine people majorly, and most cases I give them a call, and what happens is that they take the product to the client pays cash, they remove their money, then they send me my portion of the money. So for example, the TV that we first saw, the client may need it, so they deliver to the client pays the transport, that's the delivery fee, and then also they pay for the product. Now, as soon as that is done, within a few minutes, the delivery or my supplier gets to send me my cut of the deal. Then also look at the wholesalers. Now, so most people fear going to the wholesalers, but again, there are clients who like wholesale products, mostly for, say, home essentials. So you get to know about the prices from the wholesale. Then you slightly add in a few, like a few percentage for yourself, like 10%. Then you'll be able to post onto your WhatsApp status, onto your Instagram feed, onto your Facebook feed, onto your Twitter timeline, and all that. Then people can be able to engage you. So all you need to do is present this to your audience. Now, who is your target? Like I've been mentioning about this. So the target here, we're looking at family, friends, workmates, acquaintances, and these are guys who are every day into our lives. But then most of them don't have the time really to go downtown to look for these products at a cheaper price. Most of them don't trust going down there to be able to get some of these things by themselves. Now, that's why you come in. For you, you are able to interact with someone who's that side, build a relationship, and then you start working together. So you'll be exposing yourself, and you can be able to sell to the people within that you already know. And majorly, since they already trust you, they know you, so they don't imagine you cheating them in the first place. So they're going to trust you. So all you have to make sure is that the products you're giving out are genuine, because your first customer is going to bring you your other customers. So you have to maintain them and make sure that you are giving quality. So for those who have been managed to keep up to the end of the video, I have a few tricks that I've been using to keep making the money, and one of them is looking at what is trending. So you look at what is trending around you, and then look for products. So for example, now during COVID-19 pandemic, what was trending were television sets, um, um, temperature guns, and other medical equipment. And also, there was a lot of construction happening. So, most people who were dealing in some of those things at that time were selling. We are getting into the festive season soon, that is December. So, you should be now planning on, okay, what do people need during that period of time? So, you're going to see what trends a lot, and then you'll be able to work around with that. So, the same with the calendar. So, with the calendars, you're looking at which special days are there, because first of all, now, for example, within your friends, colleagues, workmates, family, their birthdays. So most of them do tend to spend money during that time when there is a birthday and something like that. I've made quite some good amount of money by selling watches, selling laptops, um, selling tablets, because that's what people are gifting their friends. Shoes. Then the other thing that most people, like, why they even probably give up or probably don't even make money, is because they never track their sales. So take some time and try to track your sales. so that you get to know how much have I bought, this price to supply, how much have I used to deliver, then how much do I remain with as a profit. So when you track the sales, they're going to motivate you to keep doing the job. And then also don't forget to give customer care to your clients. Customer care is key because all you need to do is, check in, has the delivery been successful? Have you tested the product? How is the product going? Then maybe after a month or two, you check in again, and that is going to build the relationships that this person will always feel safe to buy from you. And even if a certain product you may be expensive, they're still going to buy from you because of that customer care that you are providing. Now, people nowadays love to have their products delivered to them at their convenience. So look at sometimes pricing, and you give free deliveries, because that's another trick that you can help you to retain customers. Um, that is all for today, and thank you for watching up to the end. Looking forward to making more videos that will support you into making money online. Take some time, like the video, subscribe. You can also share so with your colleagues, so that they can also be able to have an opportunity to make a living off online. Stay tuned for more videos like these ones and more on my channel. Thank you so much.